In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add FAQ on WordPress. So for this, we need WordPress, but we also need a different website called Elf-Site. So Elf-Site is going to help us add the FAQ without any complicated stuff. So you want to go to the website elfsite.com. Next up, click on the widgets right here and then find FAQ, which you can find under tools, and then click on FAQ. Now this will send you over to this page where you need to click on create widget. And then if you scroll down, you can actually choose a template. So they have 6 different templates available on the website. For this video, I'm going to go with this one since I like this one the most. Once you found your template, you want to click on continue with this template, and you can then start adding your own questions. You can do that by clicking right there, and then right there you'll find questions. You can then type in a question right there, and you can then give the answer right there. Okay, so customize all of this. Now once you're done doing that, all you need to do is click on join to install right there. You then need to sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login, but make sure you go ahead and sign up. Now once you do that, it should send you back over to the page where you can click on save at the top right corner. And then next up, you can choose to click on add to website. But before that, if you're new, you probably have to upgrade or choose a plan. So choose any of these plans. If you're going with the paid ones, they have a 14-day money back guarantee, so you're not at risk. But if you click on add to website, all you need to do is copy the code right there, then go to WordPress, click on the plus icon, click on short code, paste it in there, hit preview, and then you can see what that looks like. So right there, you'll then find your FAQ. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. And that's pretty much how you can do that. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you next time.